Hey, it's Patty, and today I'm showing you how to install the PAC-SHIELD. In under a minute, you'll turn your exposed shackle PACLOCK into a fully shrouded, cut-resistant powerhouse. No new lock needed. Here's what you'll need: a 1, 2, or 3 series PACLOCK, the PAC-SHIELD, and a hammer or mallet. That's it. Let's get started. Slide the PAC-SHIELD over your 1, 2, or 3 series PACLOCK. Use a hammer or mallet to secure the PAC-SHIELD in place by driving down the tab underneath the padlock body. Lock and unlock the padlock to confirm everything's working smoothly. Even with the PAC-SHIELD installed, cylinders can be swapped anytime. PACLOCK Pro Tip: if you plan on using the PAC-SHIELD on another PACLOCK someday, you can skip securing the tab altogether. The PAC-SHIELD will still function exactly as intended while in the locked position, giving you shrouded protection. And that's it. You just gave your exposed shackle padlock a steroid shot to boost its cut and grind resistance. Because let's be honest, shackles suck. Want more lock upgrades and installs like this? Check out the rest of the Patty's Lock and Learn series. See you next time.